in the casting of Essas, I always think there's a very strange relationship between children and horror films, you know. In fact, I first noticed it in the Stephen King novels, where always he uses children to create horror. I think partly it's because the innocence of a child, which is the most appealing, and you feel more warm, and the last thing you'll expect in an element of horror to come from within that innocence, and that's the reason I think a child would look more scary than an obviously scary looking face.
When Ramoji told me the story, I was very excited. I liked the story, but my mother was double-minded, but I told her that it's a very nice story, you should do it. Then I did it and I was very excited.
You know, लोग अक्सर कहते हैं कि बच्चों से आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो. बच्चे, I think children are the most purest form of God. That is what they say. And I truly believe so, क्योंकि जब मैं इस फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रही थी, जो मेरी बेटी का रोल प्ले कर रही है एहसास चन्ना, जिसका नाम रक्षा है इस फिल्म में, I think वो इतनी ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व थी पूरे सीन्स में, पूरी फिल्म में, पूरे स्क्रिप्ट में, कि उन्होंने, हम अपना बेस्ट तो कर ही रहे थे हम सारे एक्टर्स, लेकिन उन्होंने हम सबको और खींचा है पूरे सीन में, यू नो, क्योंकि वो इतना अच्छा कर रही थी. पूरे जितने भी सीन्स थे, जब वो बीमार हो जाती है, यू नो, जब व्हेन शी इज इन हर एक्सट्रीम स्टेट एंड एवरीथिंग, हर एक्टिंग एंड हर स्विच ऑन एंड स्विच ऑफ इज सो ब्यूटिफुल.
And because of that, when in the script, when this character was created, I was secretly dreading, because one is I'm not very patient with children, and it's very difficult to handle them and to get a performance out of them. But I think I chanced upon Essas out of pure good luck, and she is just stunning. I mean, as a director, if I were to ask this question, if I ever, the greatest actor I worked with, I think is Essas.
दादी हमें शैतानों के बारे में बता रही है. एज एन एक्टर मेरा काम करने का स्टाइल ये है कि अगर कोई भी डायरेक्टर हो, वो जैसे ही मुझे बोलता है मैं उसको फॉलो करती हूँ, और डायलॉग्स होते हैं मैं उसको समझ लेती हूँ और अपने तरीके से बोलती हूँ.
Essas is one girl I think who has stunned everybody by her performance in the film. She has brought in more to what the character was than I think what was conceived on paper. So it could be in terms of उसने जो जिस तरह से अपना suffering portray किया है, I don't think that kind of suffering can ever be captured on paper.
हम कितनी भी कोशिश करें, हम बच्चों जितना अच्छा काम नहीं कर सकते. एंड इट इज ऑलवेज सेड दैट, यू नो, इट्स वेरी डेंजरस टू शेयर अ फ्रेम विद अ चाइल्ड, एंड it truly is, because working with Ehsas was like a lovely experience.
You cannot explain how it is possible for a kid of that age to understand the complexity of the role in Fook. I just find it amazing. There were times when there's one single shot which she managed to, and the change from being extremely vulnerable, and your heart goes out to her. In the same shot, she will change an expression which would stop you dead in your tracks and out of fear.
ऐसे कैसे चली गई थी तुम?
राजीव,
समझ क्या है लड़की?
राजीव, गुस्सा मत करो, आराम से बात करो.
सॉरी टू पापा.
That kind of a variation to understand and to think and to project through the eyes. I mean, I think all film institutes and theatre groups and all the science which they put in, I think it goes for a toss for me, just because of Essas.
मैंने रामू जी के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व की कि वो कभी सेट पे चिल्लाते नहीं थे, और कोई गलती भी हो जाती थी तो देन ही वाज बहुत पेशेंसली कहते थे, बहुत आराम से कहते थे, वो कभी सेट पे चिल्लाते नहीं थे. एंड ही गिफ्टेड मी अ लैपटॉप एंड ही सेड कि तुम बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करती है, आई लाइक योर एक्टिंग एंड इज वेरी नाइस, आई वांट टू वर्क विद हिम अगेन.